Most people think AI is not that powerful, but the truth is they're just using it the wrong way. If you fix just a few small things, the same tools can give you completely different results. Let's start with the biggest mistake. The first mistake is using very basic prompts. Most people type one simple sentence and expect perfect results. But AI works much better when you give it context, structure, and clear instructions. Instead of saying, "Write me a post," a better way is to explain what you want, who it's for, and what tone you need. That alone can change everything. The second mistake is expecting perfect output in one try. That's not how it works. The real power comes from refining the result step by step. You take the first output, improve it, adjust it, and guide it. That's how you get high quality results. The third mistake is using AI for random tasks instead of building a system. If you use AI occasionally, you'll get small benefits. But if you build a repeatable workflow, that's when it starts saving serious time. For example, instead of writing from scratch every time, you can create a simple system where AI helps you research, structure, and then refine your content. The fourth mistake is switching between too many tools. You don't need 10 different AI tools. You need 2 or 3 that you understand well. Mastering a few tools is much more powerful than constantly trying new ones. And the last mistake is not being consistent. AI only becomes powerful when you use it regularly. The more you use it, the better you understand how to get the results you want. So if you want to actually benefit from AI, keep it simple. Give better instructions, refine your results, build a small system, and stay consistent. That's the difference between people who struggle with AI and people who actually use it to their advantage.